Imagine if Claude Cowork could be a world-class marketing team that grows your business on autopilot.
This video shows a free way to find trending topics automatically, but the setup will confuse most beginners.
You do it, which is why the very first use case is going to be leveraging one of the strongest principles and features that Claude Cowork actually has. And this is Claude Cowork's ability to use services like X to go ahead and get signals. So you can use X for what we call trend intelligence without the cost of any expensive APIs. You don't have to spend $800 a month in social listening tools. Claude can open up X, have conversations with Grok, and bring back signal from the entirety.
He connects Claude to Twitter and lets AI find what's blowing up in your niche every single day. No more guessing what to post. The idea is simple, but he buries it in complicated frameworks most beginners will never finish setting up.
Of X. And that is literally where news breaks. News breaks on X. Now we can get Claude Cowork to go ahead and do that for us. What can we do with this? We can monitor any trends in any industry. What is the latest thing happening in finance right now? We can find all that stuff out in AI, get competitive intelligence and also content angles that you want.
The good news is the core trick is actually simple, and the next clip shows you exactly how it works.
How incredible is that? Now, our next marketing skill is something that's going to give you the opportunity and access to essentially any data that you want, whenever you want it, and the level of access you're going to get from this is going to blow your mind if you've never seen it before.
He connects a scraper tool to Claude and pulls competitor likes, comments, and top posts automatically. You just type what you want, and Claude goes and grabs it. Most beginners don't even know tools like this exist, let alone that they're free.
I'm talking about leveraging Appify to get competitive intelligence data or just data on what is trending right now. So think of Appify as Willy Wonka's emporium for scrapers. You can scrape Instagram, Facebook, Google Maps, TikTok, you literally name it. You can get started completely for free.
But here's where it gets really interesting. The next skill takes all that research and turns it into expert level content fast.
Imagine if we could combine Claude Cowork with the world's #1 research and intelligence platform, NotebookLM. Well, it turns out not only can we do this, but when you do actually connect them, you unlock capabilities that are actually outrageous. Now, NotebookLM is a research powerhouse. If there's any topic you ever want to learn more about, now, NotebookLM isn't just a place where we store information. It's a place that can literally enrich that information.
He connects Claude to a Google research tool that pulls the best content from top creators in any niche. You just tell it what you want to learn, and it builds you a full knowledge base in minutes. What used to take weeks of research now takes one prompt.
With the very most accurate information using all of Google's AI systems. So it's not just storage, it's actually depth and accuracy. And on top of that, here's the other thing to consider about, right? I want to think about what we could use this for. Skill building. You can extract frameworks from top creators in your niche. We can do content research, find 50 videos to get your unique angle fast.
Now that you've got the knowledge, the next skill shows you how to track if it's actually working.
Which is why the fourth skill is mission control for your business. Your business needs a mission control powered by AI and the data. You have to connect your business's core numbers. That could be your financial information from your bank. It could be the website visits on WordPress. Whatever it is, we want it all in one beautiful location called mission control.
He builds one dashboard that pulls all your data, traffic, sales, content performance, updated daily. No more jumping between 10 different apps to figure out what's going on. Claude does the morning briefing for you while you drink your coffee.
All with the purpose to enable you to A, understand what's going on, and B, to make informed decisions easier. It's to reduce your cognitive load. What do I mean by that? It's every tool you use in one dashboard, updated daily, okay? The thing that you're going to see every morning. No more asking Steve from accounting, hey, dude, can I just get the... No, it's all there for you.
And once your numbers are sorted, the next skill handles something most beginners completely ignore.
Skill is one of the greatest time saved. It's about taking something that you do that you think is fantastic and making it something that is going to be a replicable process.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
but doesn't require any additional time or overhead to you, but keeps the same level of quality. And of course, I'm talking about designs that we build for Instagram, for TikTok, for presentations, you name it.
You set up your brand style once, give Claude a list of topics, and it creates all your designs automatically. Instagram posts, slides, quote graphics done while you do something else. This alone can save you hours every single week.
So we can do 10 designs, multiple designs in minutes. And when I say minutes, you don't even have to be at the computer. It can do all for you instantaneously. We can set up a brand kit once, give Claude a list of questions or topics, and it can create brand designs at scale.
And the final skill is what ties your whole side hustle together into one clean system.
And so now we've covered everything in the operation and using these skills to accelerate your marketing. The last thing that we need to do is tie everything together to make you incredibly more productive. And that's by building out a Notion productivity system using Claude Code and all this context. So the idea here is we use Notion to create a project board, but we can drop in voice notes if we want to.
Claude reads your emails, checks your calendar, and builds you a prioritized to-do list every single day. No more forgetting tasks or wasting time figuring out what to do next. Your entire week gets organized automatically without you lifting a finger.
And turn all of that into a wonderful project board. What does that look like in practice? Well, some of the things that we can do here, realistically, it can grab to-do lists from anything because it has access to our emails, our calendars, any conversation, and we can actually manage this all as a project management system within Notion or any project management software.
If you want a system that does all of this for you without the complicated setup, the link in my bio is your next step. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.